ETI it's my life right now, and ETI is just different than all the other trade schools. We're hands-on, we're truly hands-on. We truly have that real-world experience that unfortunately other schools aren't able to offer, and students get that day in and day out during their programs here. We always encourage everybody that comes through our school here, that looks at the school, to look at their options and weigh your options. But at the end of the day, ETI is the place to be. You're in, you're out, it's a short program, it's all hands-on, direct relationships with employers. There's no reason that you can't be successful here. You get out of it what you put into it. So whatever happened in high school or previous school after high school that you went to, I always tell students, this is your opportunity for a fresh start. Focus, do what you need to do, get out and start your career, because that's what we train them for. I'm just very proud to be a part of ETI, and the team here at ETI, I feel like everybody has the same expectations. Our students that graduate from here, our graduates go out there and they do great things. They make us even better, and they make us want to be better. So I'm just very proud to be a part of ETI.